Shawn is a 16-year-old boy who comes to the clinic today for a mental health evaluation.
Want to have a seat?
Oh, thanks.
You know, just before we get started, I want to kind of let you know about your right to privacy and confidentiality. You know, everything that we talk about in here stays in here. You know, I'm not going to tell your parents about anything that we talk about. But, you know, the only times I'd have to break confidentiality is if you talk about hurting yourself or hurting somebody else. So,
Cool.
So, what brings you in today?
I don't know. I mean, like, my mom wanted me to come.
Oh, that must have been kind of confusing. You know, I just want to get a sense of who you are and learn a little bit about you. Where do you go to school?
East High.
So, all right. And how's school going?
Yeah, it's all right. Kind of sucks, but.
And what do you like to do when you're not in school?
I play basketball. I'm on the basketball team, and I just hang out with my friends.
What's your favorite subject?
Math, probably my best. It's where I get the best grades, but yeah, everything else, you know, English, I don't really like it. I hate school mostly. Yeah, I'd rather just go play basketball.
Okay. So, why do you think your mom wanted you to come in today?
She thinks I have an anger management problem.
Why would she think that? Like, she must have a reason.
You'd have to ask her.
You know, I think moms sometimes have ideas about things. What do you think?
Well, I mean, like, I lose my temper a lot around her because she's, like, always annoying me about, like, you know, if I've had a bad day at school, she's always, like, you know, nagging at me, trying to get at what's wrong, and, like, I don't know, I just don't feel like talking to her, but she keeps, you know, going at me, and it's just annoying. Like, I don't want to deal with it.
Oh.
And I don't feel comfortable, like, opening up to her like that, you know?
Right, because what teenager really likes talking to their mom, right?
Yeah, it's so awkward.
Yeah. So are there people that you feel comfortable talking to?
Yeah, I have a girlfriend, so she always listens to me. She's really nice. And I also have a coach, and he's like a father figure to me. I mean, he, like, you know, always gives me advice. He's like my Yoda.
That's cool. So it kind of sounds like you are most comfortable when, you know, somebody just is there to listen.
Yeah.
Or maybe, you know, if they do give advice, that they don't, like, pressure you into following it.
Yeah, no, like, exactly. Yeah. I hate it when my mom is just, you know, talking just to talk. I just like someone who can, like, sit down with me and, you know, listen and support me, that's all.
Just kind of be real, not be a parent.
Exactly, yeah.
Yeah. That totally makes sense.
Yeah.